Hey all, Dr. Ray here. Hey, we got an event coming up, except it's not your typical event, okay? I want you all to make sure and save the date, March the 31st at 6:30 p.m., all right? Now, the name of the event is called H2H, or Healthy and Happy, all right? And the side benefit is thin, all right? Now, currently I am doing this program, all right? I'm doing it for the benefit of you guys, and I got this flyer from them, and that's Randy and Rob right there. Okay, those are two crazy chiropractors who were in the Max Living Network for years. They were upper echelon, really rocking it, helping a lot of people. And then Randy got sick. And what happened is he said, you know what? I can't even go on stage. And he talked to Rob, and they ended up not going on stage. Well, what they did is they started investigating metabolism. Now, we just finished our metabolism workshop. So for those who were there, this is going to build on that. This is going to be amazing because it really is going to hone in a very simple way how to get healthy, happy, and fit, and thin for that matter. I know we can't talk a lot about weight loss, but if it's everything he's been told about weight loss is wrong. And you're going to learn the answers right here. And this is the there's a whole bunch of different people that were doing the program, and feel free to look. And look at the changes that were made. Look at some of these people. They got their metabolism back in check, and look what happened. Look at that. See, they got their metabolism balanced, and they lost a crap ton of weight. Not because they did a weight loss program, all right? It's because they rebuilt their metabolism. See, the metabolism has to do with how your body burns fuel, all right? And we talked about this at the last seminar. But the goal is to make sure we have the ability to become a hybrid, okay? Just like a car, that's a hybrid car. You're driving along, and then all of a sudden it kicks into electric mode. Then you're driving, it goes back into gas mode. And that's the idea. We want to have metabolic flexibility. That's the goal. So when you consume healthy food, you're going to be able to, there's going to be sugars there, and your body should be able to metabolize that properly, and there should be fat present, and you should be able to metabolize that properly. Now, fat is our preferred fuel. That doesn't mean we're absent carbs and sugars. They're going to be in our diet. So the bottom line is this whole program, it's a 5-week program, and Randy and Rob are going to be there teaching it. It won't be me this time, all right? So it's going to be a brand new event. We're bringing in a guest speaker. They're going to talk about their program and how they have transformed lives, transformed Randy's life. Really, his stomach was distended and abdomen, and literally he thought he was going to die. And because of these changes, and he brought this together to people because he knew people needed to know this, because there's so many misconceptions about metabolism, weight loss, and fitness, and it's all mishmash. Well, this program will literally get, it's a 5-week program taking you from where you are right now to healthy, happy, and thin, just like the pictures I showed you on that flyer. So guys, make sure you save that date. Get a ticket to the event, March the 31st at 6:30 p.m. Save that date. And if you know anybody else who needs to boost their metabolism, lose weight, get more healthy, get more fit, decrease body inflammation, to reduce insulin resistance, get reverse diabetes type 2 through nutrition and diet, and all the other things we talked about at the last seminar, this is going to be a step-by-step instruction manual from them. There'll be a program they're going to be offering. And because you're a part of this program in my office, you're going to get a huge discount. So it's going to be awesome. So I'm looking forward to seeing you guys there, and Randy and Rob are going to kill it. So don't forget, March the 31st at 6:30 p.m. Take care. Hey all, Dr. Ray. I just wanted to give you some skinny that's coming up. Fun, it's a pun. I am currently doing a program. We've partnered with these crazy people called Healthy, Happy, and Thin. And there's Randy and Rob right there. And basically, these guys have created a program. And it's a step-by-step program that you have full coaching with. This is the cool part, all right? But it's a metabolism reboot to help to reset your metabolism. Because the problem is we've been so poisoned, as you learned from my last seminar, with GMOs and simple sugars and seed oils and all the stuff we're putting in our skins and the medications and everything that's happening in our world today. But I wanted to let you know that they're going to come out. They're going to be teaching this event. It ain't me this time. You ain't going to look at the talking head. This time it's going to be Randy and Rob, and they're a couple of crazy guys, so get ready. It's going to be a lot of fun. But more critically, they're going to walk through the program and explain to you how it works. It's a program we partner with through Max Living, and so we get to give a reduced rate for their program. And because they're coming to my office, you're going to get an even bigger discount. So I just wanted to let you know that the program is going to be a huge discount. You're going to sign up. You're going to get coaching. They're going to walk step by step. They have a website, videos. They have all these resources to ensure you don't fail. Let's go step-by-step meal planning, step-by-step. Every day you're going to tell me what to eat, when to eat, what to eat, metabolic reboot formulations specific to your metabolic processes. So it's on seminars coming up on March the 31st at 6:30 p.m. So make sure you save that date. Now, if you have anybody out there in the world that's struggling with diabetes, cancer, heart disease, high blood pressure, gut issues, Crohn's disease, irritable bowel, anything that's related to metabolism, and of course, don't forget about weight gain, weight loss, obesity. If they're struggling with that and you've tried and you've done the diet and then you rebound, you diet, then you rebound. Gosh, this is the answer. 5-week program, reboot, metabolism reboot, March the 31st at 6:30 p.m. So make sure you save that date, and we are going to literally transform the way your body's health is. And we tie that together with the chiropractic piece. Oh my God, you guys it's going to be such a blessing for you. So save that date, get that ticket. Now, around the clinic, you'll see these, or you can just simply talk to the front desk. But there's some QR readers right there that can register you for the program that way, or you can simply talk to the front desk. But either way, make sure, what I would do is go ahead and take a copy or a picture of that, and then save it on your phone. And then you can forward that to friends, loved ones, anybody who's struggling. Again, they don't necessarily have to have the chiropractic side. I think that's important. 5 critical essentials, right? This is going to help to simplify the nutrition, simplify the detoxification, all those pieces of the puzzle that seem to be dropped, and step by step. So March the 31st, save the date. Bye, guys. Hey, all, Dr. Ray here. Have you gained and lost the same 10 pounds over the last 15, 20 years? You gain it, you lose it, you gain it, you lose it, but every time you come back, it's a little bit more and a little bit more and a little bit more. Finally, you're so frustrated, you just throw your hands up and do the seafood diet, seafood and eat it, okay? We're going to do a build-up from our last program. Now, you don't have to do the last program to come to this one, okay? Just a reminder, okay? But the last program, we really got solid on what metabolism was and how it can cause so many health challenges, whether it's diabetes, heart disease, gut issues, that's Crohn's, irritable bowel, autoimmune problems. All these things are tied to metabolism. And we learned that the metabolism has to be flexible. It has to be able to, when you put food in your body, it has to be good, healthy, what they call, this program, they call SURF, Simply Eat Real Food. Okay? And that's a kind of a simple concept, but it's called Happy, Healthy, and Thin. So H2H is what the name of the program is. And Randy and Rob, these two guys right here, okay, are the creators of that program. And they did it out of necessity. Literally, Randy got very, very sick, was doing all the 5 essentials and principles and found himself sick. And they said, something's missing in this puzzle. So they left the Max Living Network and went out and created something, then came back to the Maximize Living Network and said, hey, we want to work with Max Living to improve so we can get the same results we did. So Randy got himself healthy again because of those changes. He kept up with the 5 essentials, but modified a little bit on the other ones for the people that needed the serious help. So if you're struggling with any of those health challenges, weight gain, inability, weight loss resistance, insulin resistance. Gosh, there's so many things. But this is a program that's customized to your body and body type and problem. For example, I'm doing the program right now, and my number one struggle is with the adrenal glands, with those hormone balance problems, okay? My wife, who's doing it also, hers showed up as thyroid. So we're doing the same program, but it's customized, just a little tweak based upon what we are specifically. So it's customized. You get coaching. There's going to be a website, videos, step-by-step instructions on how to make your food, how to cook, your personal care beauty products. It has the entire list of those programs. So make sure you save that date. Okay, so let's go ahead and it's March the 31st at 6:30 p.m. Now again, there is a QR reader for this, and they should be all throughout the clinic. So make sure you run that QR reader to register, or make yourself simple. If you're watching this on YouTube, click the QR reader. If you are not watching it on YouTube, make sure that you go to the front desk and just get scheduled for it. This time, again, it's not me. I'm not teaching the H2H program. Okay, Randy and Rob are going to be here. We're flying them out. So, guys, I really want to pack the house. Come and learn from these guys. Even if you don't buy their program, come and learn. They have so much to share. And so, again, instead of listening to the talking head all the time, maybe it's time to listen to another point of view around that same principle, the 5 essentials. So March the 31st, 6:30 p.m., save the date, get a ticket for you and anybody who's having any health challenge, because metabolism ties to it all. Take care. Hey all, Dr. Ray here, Chiropractic Plus. I just wanted to shoot a quick video for you. We've got an event coming up, and it's going to come up March the 31st at 6:30 p.m. However, it's not going to be your typical program, I promise you. It's we actually are flying 2 guest speakers out, Randy and Rob, from our program called Happy, Healthy, Thin, or H2H. All right, healthy to happy. That's where we're going to get you there. They have done some amazing things. They have made some transformational on diet. They're going to bring to a program. Now, we have partnered with them through Max Living. So they're coming into the Max Living family. They actually left the Max Living family, worked out this program for some of the weaknesses we found, brought them back, and now they have a customized program that's going to have coaching, meal planning, specific diet to your health challenge. My wife's doing thyroid. I'm doing basically hormone balancing problems. So we're working on that. Honestly, I just started the program. I've been on it now for 5 days. I've already lost 10 pounds. Okay. And I'm not trying to lose weight. I'm just trying to get more healthy. The byproduct of good health is going to be a healthy body and healthy metabolism. Now, this is Randy and Rob right here. Okay, other people are coming out right there. Now, that's what they look like on their fake picture, I call that. This is more their style. See these 2 guys? They're a couple of wild and crazy guys, for those of you who are old enough to know about that reference. But come and learn. Okay, and again, I'm just going to buzz through these guys. These are all the different people that they have on their flyer that have basically benefited from rebooting their metabolism. So, guys, let's reboot your metabolism. Let's transition your life and get you working in that direction. Remember, our vision for the clinic is healthy people for a lifetime. This isn't about another treatment for back pain, neck pain, diabetes, cancer, another internet thing, another thing on Facebook you can click on. It's all about health and wellness. So we're going to make that happen for you. So make sure you save the date, March the 31st at 6:30 p.m. And again, you'll see these around the clinic. I would take a snapshot of that so you have it for your phone. You could forward that to your friends that are struggling with health challenges through metabolism. And again, when I say metabolism, you all think of weight loss, but that's not it. It's poor body digestion and metabolism of nutrients, processing fuel properly. When you don't process fuel properly, you gain weight. You get problems with health challenges, gut issues, autoimmunity, heart problems, high blood pressure, cholesterol gets out of control, all those things. So guys, save the date, March the 31st at 6:30 p.m. Get your ticket at the front desk. We're going to rock your world. All right? Sound good? Bye. Hey, Dr. Ray here, Chiropractic Plus. And I'm up at my cabin, and I thought I'd take a picture or a video with some snow in the background. We got some snow. It's actually snowing right now, real light. I thought you might want to see some snow since winter's done and we haven't had any snow. So I thought I'd take a picture with some snow in the background. But the reason I'm actually out here in the freezing cold, by the way, I'm going to go quick on this video probably, is I wanted to tell you about a program that's coming up March the 31st at 6:30 p.m. Make sure you save that date. Bring friends, bring loved ones. We did our metabolism workshop, which was the last seminar we taught. Now, we kind of set the groundwork on how metabolism works and some strategies for taking those action steps. Well, Randy and Rob, who created this Happy to Healthy to Thin program, basically did it because they were struggling, Randy specifically, with some serious health challenges. He was doing all the 5 essentials, but there were some pieces missing. So him and Rob left the network, went and created this program to make Randy more healthy. That's why he did it. He didn't do it because he wanted to be fit and thin and everything else. He needed to get his life back. He was literally dying. And he went and created this program. And he said, oh my gosh, we got to get this to the network. So he came back, and what's happened now, we've partnered with them. And what they've done is they partnered with the top clinics, like ours, okay? And they're going to actually fly out. They're flying out for the program. They're going to teach the program. It ain't going to be this face this time. It's going to be two different faces, Randy and Rob, and they're going to be introducing this happy, healthy, thin program. And it is absolutely transformational. I'm doing it right now, and I've already lost about 10 pounds, and I'm not trying to lose weight. I'm trying to get more fit and more healthy. I mean, the whole goal is what? Health. That's the whole program. It's a 5 essential program. It's healthy. If you're healthy, you don't have to deal with all these health challenges and drugs and doctor's appointments. So March the 31st, save the date, 6:30 p.m. Get your friends, get your loved one, get everybody, and I'm going to get the heck out of here because it's cold. All right. Talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.